Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Here I am Kamrun, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 2, today I am going to take your computer class. And now today's topic is oral questions. So let's start the class. And my dear students, we all know that we have an oral test in our exam, and these are the questions. And the first question is, what is the name of the longest key on the keyboard? Do you remember? Yes, we all know the space bar. So the answer is, the space bar is the longest key on the keyboard. Now I repeat, the space bar is the longest key on the keyboard. Now the next question, why are the number keys used? Why are the number keys used? And why do you use number keys? For typing numbers. So our answer is, the number keys are used for typing numbers. The number keys are used for typing numbers. Now number 3, what is drawing area? Do you remember what is drawing area? Yes, the white portion what we get in the paint screen. So the answer is, the drawing area is the white portion inside the paint screen. The drawing area is the white portion inside the paint screen. Now next question, number 4. What are the different keys of the keyboard? So what are the different keys of the keyboard? We all know there are lots of sets of keys on the keyboard, and they are alphabet keys, number keys, etc. Right? So what will be the answer? The keyboard has alphabet keys, number keys, symbol keys, function keys, space bar and enter key. So these are the 6 keys we found in on the keyboard. So the keyboard has alphabet keys, number keys, symbol keys, function keys, space bar and enter key. Now number 5. How many buttons does a mouse have? So how many buttons? Yes, you are correct. We all know there will be 2 or 3 buttons. So answer is, a mouse has 2 or 3 buttons. A mouse has 2 or 3 buttons. Now number 6. What is the action of pressing and leaving the mouse button called? So what is the action of pressing and leaving the mouse button called? We all know that it is called clicking. And the answer will be, the action of pressing and leaving the mouse button is called clicking. The action of pressing and leaving the mouse button is called clicking. Now number 7. How does the eraser tool help us? So how does the eraser tool help us? We use eraser tool to erase drawings from the drawing area in a computer. So our answer is, the eraser tool helps us to erase drawings from the drawing area. The eraser tool helps us to erase drawings from the drawing area. Now number 8, and this is the last question of the today. Why is the enter key used? So why is the enter key used? We all know that whenever we want to go to the next line, we use the enter key. So the answer is, the enter key is used to go to the next line. The enter key is used to go to the next line. So these are the 8 questions from your oral sheets. You will memorize it for your oral test. So my dear students, there is a homework. This is homework number 9. Question answer 1 to 8. You will write only answer. You don't need to write the question. I repeat, you don't need to write the question. You will just maintain the question number and you will write the answer only. You will write the answer only. So you will write 8 answer of these 8 questions. You don't need to write the questions. So my dear students, This is all for today. I hope you have understood about today's topic. Dear students, all of you will do your homework regularly and submit it on every Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm. My dear students, your SBA city marks will be given on the basis of the submission of your homework copies. So, dear students, all of you study regularly and abide by your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.